My name is Mario. I'm a King High School student. I want to talk to you about my future truck.
I choose to call it the future truck because of its ability to tow heavy loads and its ex- exceptional steering. The steering mechanism in the front of the vehicle is driven by gears, which control the movement of the small shocks. Additionally, a motor located on top of the gears provides precise control of the steering. The back of the truck is powered by two differentials that are driven by gears from the top motors. This arrangement allows the truck to move more efficiently and turn more easily without having to stop. While, bu- while building the steering mechanism in the front, I encountered some challenges. Especially, I found the main gear in the bottom will sometimes come out of place when I move the motor that controls the steering. This was due to the fact that the motor was located on top and controlled the gears. To solve this problem, I found a longer axle and added some beams to create more space for the motor. This adjustment resolved the issue, and I no longer had any problems with the steering mechanism. During the testing, I noticed that the straight axles in the back would not spin when making a turn. After some investigation, I determined that I needed differentials to enable the wheels to spin. To make this work, I added some beams to adjust the motor's height, allowing the back of the truck to spin efficiently when making turns. Looking back at this project, I am pleased with the steering mechanism I ultimately created, even though it required taking the car apart several times. Through this project, I have gained an appreciation for the challenges in building cars, including the multiple of potential problems that arise during the design and construction process. Thank you for your attention.